counties in Indiana advisory remains in Franklin, Union, and the following counties. Touches of Bracken, Mason, Robertson, and the following counties in Ohio. Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Highland, and Warren. Warning remains in effect from 2 a.m. to 9 a.m. Saturday. Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 30 expected. Frost and freeze conditions will kill crops. Another sensitive vegetation. Sub-freezing temperatures in the low 30s when isolated. To prevent freezing and possible bursting of outdoor water pipes, they should be wrapped, drained, or allowed to drip slowly. Those that have in-ground sprinkler systems should drain them and cover above-ground pipes to protect them from freezing. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Indiana: Fayette, Franklin, and Union, and the following counties in Ohio: Butler, Clinton, and Warren. For this afternoon and tonight, please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.gov. On the internet for more information about the following hazards: freeze warning. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Dry conditions, low humidity, and breezy conditions result in elevated fire danger Saturday afternoon. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Here is a frost advisory for the following counties in Indiana: Dearborn, Ohio, Ripley, and Switzerland, and the following counties in Kentucky: Boone, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Owen, and Pendleton, and Hamilton, Ohio. Frost advisory remains in effect from 2 a.m. to 9 a.m. Saturday. Temperatures as low as 34 will result in frost formation. Frost could kill sensitive outdoor vegetation if left uncovered. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. High pressure and a drier air mass will settle in the region through Saturday. A frontal boundary will sag slowly southeast into the region through early next week, bringing the next chance for showers. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest Ohio, southeast Indiana, and northern Kentucky, including the greater Cincinnati tri-state area. Tonight, clear. Patchy frost after midnight. Lows in the mid-30s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southwest this late evening and overnight. Saturday, areas of frost in the morning. Mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunday, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers in